back to BRtools concept again. So now we are going to discuss about the third topic in this is adding table spaces to the database. In the first topic, part 1 we did start stop, part 2 we are done with triggering backup, and part 3 we are going to do adding table spaces to database. Let's see how to do this and how the situation will come. So let's get into the topic. So my SAP is up and running. So just log into the system and see to check the table space, how much is occupied and how much free space is there. We can use the T code db02. From here into this we have option called table spaces. Click here and go to overview. You can see the overview of your table spaces. See, my PSAPSR3 is of 85% occupied. Let us say my company policy is that it should not be more than 85%. So I have to extend the table space of PSAPSR3. So now let's see how to proceed for that. So remember, it's 85% for now. Let's go to the activity. As of now I'm showing in Windows only. I will show some other time in Linux as well. So let's launch BRtools. And what the difference between Windows and Linux is only the thing here you will launch from this command prompt with VRISID, and there also with putty session only with VRISID you will log in and you will launch the same BRtool. There is no difference at all. So we'll go to option number 2, space management, and option number 1, extend table space. See, I said extend table space. So now here in this option you no need to give any inputs. As of now, click on continue and continue again. Now it will read the table spaces and it will give you the situation. See, PSAPSR3 used 85%. This is the situation. 20 files are there, data files. You can see from the server itself. If it is Windows, like this you can go. If it is Linux, cd space the path you can give. So see, SR3 data 1 to 17 we have here. Let's see. Now let's try to extend this. Click on 1 and see what happened is up to 17 we have in data 1, data 3. After 17 might be in Windows it's fine, we will be having single disk. So in Linux what is the situation is, we mount the data 1, data 2, data 3 in different devices, different disks. So there we have to check for a df-h and we have to choose how much free space is available, and accordingly we will change this path actually. So the data folder path we will change. So now let's go and see. In data 3 I have 17 files, right? After that in data 4 1920 is there. Maybe my students while practicing they did some experiments, they added in different paths. See, 18 is here and up to 17 it's here and 1920 is here. So it's up to us, we can create according to the free space in the disk in the mount point. So now see, last added file is of 20, SR3_20. Now the new file will be some 21. Now I am going to do it in SAP data 3 only. Let us say I wanted to change. So copy till here, use option number 3, give. So it is not copied. Let's copy it again and give data 3. So see here, earlier it is data 4, now it is creating in data 3. Okay, now it's fine. Now size of the new file, it starts with 1490 MB and it will go with auto extend mode and it will go up to 10,000 MB maximum size. So it increases every time, it increases 20 MB according to the fill of the table space. So continue, and it is asking, do you want to add next file also? So in companies we add 3 to 4 files at a time. So at that time we use option yes, but as of now I am going to only add one file. I will go with option no. So see, after clicking no here, so the action will be skipped, means next file creation is skipped, and the directory F is created, and here you can see, so in F the data SR321 is created here. Okay, you can go and see again in Oracle SID SAP data 3, you can see 21 it's created just now, and the file is created, but you should not think it's completed. Just click on continue and continue again. Now you are in second menu, just click option B. After that use option number 9 and exit. Now you are perfectly exit from this path. So this is how we have to do, and once it is done, just do a refresh of overview here or relaunch the T code. Some space added, right? It should not be 85 now, at least it should reduce some value here. So as of now it is not updated, and you can see the particular action what you have performed, that action log from here as well, DBA logs. So what is the DBA tool we used here? You can go back and see. So alter table data file, what we can say this is, I think it's a BR space. So you can see here, so as of now this time is this date is 7th. So see here 7th, on 7th dated table space extended is done. So from here you can see the action log also. If you want to zero like this, you have to exit properly, or else you will get errors like this, so which is not a good thing. So now, yeah, this is the process of adding the table space, but we don't see any difference, right? Maybe it takes some time to sync in SAP level. So let's check it here itself. Number 2, extend table space, continue, and now see here, SAP SR321, after adding 21st file, the user space is reduced because I added some space, so obviously user will be reduced. So this is the process of adding and checking the things from OS level or SAP level. So it will change here also after some time. If it is not updating, you can check from here itself. You can see here the space is like the used percentage is reduced like this. We can bring down to our threshold value, like maybe company said it should not be more than 85. If it is more than 85, add files up to 80, bring down 80%. So like that, if they say you can add 2 to 3 files at a time, it will come less than 80%, and you can confirm to team while doing monitoring, or while the task is assigned to you, you can mention them. It is a less than threshold value as of now. So okay guys, with this we are done with table space edition. We will come with a new topic in next session. Thank you guys, bye.